It's a cold April morning in the Chilao Campground. Let's go see what the girls are doing. How did you sleep last night? Was it cold? Was it cold?
Yes.
Okay, 1 hour later. Good morning, girls.
Morning.
Hi. How did you sleep?
How'd you sleep? How? You cold?
I sleep like this. I was sleeping like this.
Okay.
I was moving my head. I was sleeping like this and like this. I was moving my head.
Oh yeah?
Uh-huh. I was sleeping like this.
Yeah. So was it cold last night?
Yes, freezing. I know what's freezing. I know what's freezing.
Yeah, you were not freezing?
What's going on, Ari? Are you still sleepy?
I just pooped, like, I'm going outside.
Alright.
I'm going. You go first, cause I gotta see your moves. Okay. Just do it. Go. Just put your hands in mine. Go where dreams begin. No, you have to go like this when I do it. Okay. Just put your hands in mine. Go where dreams begin. You and me. Now you go. Now you're supposed to go. I can see. And you see, just put your hands in mine. Go where dreams begin. I'll teach you how to fly. Go where dreams begin. Dun 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 dun. Where dreams begin. Now how funky is their chicken?
How about you show me what this piece of art is behind you? Okay.
This represents Daddy-O.
Uh-huh.
Mommy, see, she got a queen. She's a king.
Queen.
Uh-huh.
Queen. And this is me, Sandra, and Ari. So
Okay.
family. And it means thank you for taking us here.
Alright, what's the rope?
The rope with with creative things to make it.
Yeah, this row.
Oh, that one? That's a circle.
Yeah, what does this circle represent?
Like a family picture or something.
Okay.
Keep us together.
Thank you. That's great. Very creative. What's Sandra doing?
Weeping.
Yeah.
She's being mad. She's
What's
sad.
going on down there?
She has a booger right there.
You have a booger coming out?
She has a booger.
Oh. All right.
I saw.
Well, we came back because it was very cold. We did not spend a second night. But the girls wanted to keep camping, so how was the camping in the backyard?
Good.
Well, here we are in the tent.
Tent.
Was it?
Yeah.
It was warmer than the mountains?
Hell yeah. Yeah. Better than the mountain.
Yeah.
It was so cold in the mountains.
Yeah. So we are going to go get Sandra now because she was very, very tired last night. Okay, here we go.
No.
She's not there. Maybe she's in Mommy and Daddy's room. So sleepy. How was camping? No comment?
How about you, Mommy?
Yeah, it's great. It's so soft. I can believe camping can be so comfortable.
All right. Signing off. Camping 2009. Say bye.
Bye bye.